Next is we have your family therapy. See, family therapy from the word itself, we use the help of the family, which is the support system of the patient. Now, the primary goal here is to improve also the family functions. So, usually, ang mga makaka-benefit dito ay may mga marital status or marital issues. Okay? Yung may mga intergenerational conflicts, yung mga relatives, like yung lolo, okay, relatives, mga tito, tita, okay, or yung angkan mismo may problema. Sibling concerns, of course, kung may mga kung may mga issues with the siblings and family crisis, okay, like death, divorce, okay, major family issues that cause them to lose their minds and lose their tawag dito yung kanilang sanity, then family therapy can also help as a treatment modality.